Should pop-up coffee stands create signature syrup recipes? Yes, they should, because unique syrup recipes can make drinks memorable, attract repeat customers, and help a small coffee stand out from larger chains. A signature syrup is a special flavored sweetener made for a particular coffee stand, such as brown sugar rosemary, toasted coconut, or honey cinnamon. It gives customers a reason to try something they cannot get from every nearby cafe. The recipe should support the coffee instead of covering up its flavor, so begin with a simple base and add one clear main taste. A useful starting point is equal parts sugar and water, gently heated until the sugar dissolves, then mixed with safe ingredients such as spices, herbs, fruit, or extracts. Letting the syrup cool before storing it helps protect its flavor and prevents heat from damaging delicate ingredients. One lesser-known detail is that a tiny amount of salt can make sweet flavors taste stronger without making the drink taste salty. The stand should test each recipe in hot coffee, iced coffee, and milk-based drinks because cold temperatures can make sweetness and flavor seem weaker. Write down every measurement, label the container with the preparation date, keep it refrigerated when required, and make small batches so freshness and quality are easier to control. A common mistake is adding too many flavors, so choose one main flavor and one supporting note instead of creating a confusing mixture. Another mistake is making the syrup overly sweet, so test it in the finished drink and reduce the amount of sugar if it hides the coffee. Some owners also forget food safety, especially when using fresh fruit or herbs, so use clean equipment, follow proper storage guidance, and discard syrup that smells unusual or shows signs of spoilage. It is also risky to offer a signature flavor without checking customer preferences, so provide a small sample or ask for feedback before making it a permanent menu item. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.